Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Nothing OS 3, which is the official Android 15 update for our Nothing Phone 1. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the review. So guys, the Nothing OS 3 update was released in December 2024 for the Nothing Phone 2 and the 2A, and now we have got it for the Nothing Phone 1. And as you can see, this is the Nothing OS 3. This is the build number and it says 8 January 2025, but I received it like 2 days ago. So yeah, you can just take it the date of the launch they have made of the Android version for this phone, Android version 15, and you can see Android 15 Easter egg. And down here we go, we have the December 2025 security patch. Again, coming down here, the settings seems same as the beta. You have all those features, and it was also the same on the Nothing Phone 2. So guys, let's take a look at the new features of the Nothing OS 3, which is the Android 15 update for Nothing Phone 1. Now I already covered all the options and features and the new UI stuff, new improvements, everything. I have covered it in a video. You can check this out in the iCard, which is the Open Beta 1 video if you want to go deeply. Here I am going to just explain a quick overview. Also, I'm planning to make a new video on all the features which are present in the Nothing Phone 1 with the Android 15 update, because that is going to take a long time, because that will cover the features in deep and all the new stuff in deep. But this one we'll just have a quick overview in this video. So guys, let's start with the boot animation first. So this is the Nothing boot screen. It's booting, and as you can see, this is how the new boot animation looks, and it's clean, it's minimal, and it's with the dot matrix, so that looks really great on a device. It's an AMOLED device, so it looks more great. Now let's talk about the second change, which is the lock screen. And as you can see, we have new lock screen customization available. So first you have to long press the lock screen, or you can go through the options too, but I'm showing you the shortcut. Then you have to open your device. Okay, something, oh sorry, you have to long press here, click on customize, then open your device, and you will get this new lock screen menu where you can change your clock. As you can see, the clock style, you can change. There are a lot of clock changes available. These are the styles, and we also have this widget menu where you can expand the widget area, but our clock style will be just short, summarized with time and the date and the day. And this is how you can add more widgets, and we have a lot of widgets and a lot of changes related to those widgets, which in short I will talk in the later part of the video. But yes, you can get an overview with this one. This is a lock screen customization page, and then you can also go through the wallpapers, and you can change wallpapers from here, so that's a nice thing. So guys, now let's take a look at the quick settings UI, and this is how you pull it down from the home screen. And it looks clean, it's minimal. There are no options to view the name, the toggle names in the downward sides, the short ones. You have just a single toggle, and you can also resize that. It's a really nice way to do that. Like if you have Bluetooth now, the Bluetooth is occupying the whole space for 4 toggles, so you can edit it like this, or in the longer toggle like this. Oops, I guess I'm not, yeah, okay, it's now clicking. And this is how you can do it with all of these toggles. You just need to create that space. But I recommend this UI looks great. These two longer format is a square, and then the short circle toggles, it looks really nice and minimal. Also, as you can see, we have the Wi-Fi and data toggle separated, not in a single one like we had in the Nothing OS 2. So that is also great. Like we have to swipe and then turn it on. Now it is quickly turning on and off, so that's great. So guys, there's one issue that I face with the quick settings UI, that there is this brightness icon. Like when you click on this icon, it will turn on the auto brightness. Now sometimes we accidentally, while turning on the brightness, lowering it down, I just randomly click anywhere here to lower it down, and then it turns on the auto brightness, and then it creates some problems when I'm running out of time, or I'm going somewhere, I'm busy, and I don't have time to even adjust my brightness. Then these things happen, and it's a small issue. It's not an issue actually. The brightness bar can be, you can slide the bar up and down like sideways, right and left, to adjust the brightness. But yeah, it's something that I'm like, I have this fond of just pressing the brightness bar and it will increase in the suitable level. So yeah, I think this is also good, but yeah, that's, it depends on person to person. But yeah, if you are facing this issue, then you can try sliding. That's the only option for now which I have found. So guys, the next addition with Nothing OS 3 which I wanted to talk about is the countdown widget and the photo sharing widget sharing feature. Then the first thing is the countdown widget, and you can set countdowns, and you can see the widget looks really nice. You can set a 6-day, 1-day, or even months or a year countdown. If you have set some goals, if you want to go somewhere, if you have something, a meeting or something, you can set, like I have set these two countdowns. Those are first one, you can swipe up and it will say book tickets for the Ramayana Legend of Prince Rama movie, and this is the 1-day countdown for a birthday reminder. Like, it's not 1 day, but yeah, like 2 days reminder for the birthday, but it does not need a birthday reminder. Like, I don't need a birthday reminder to remind someone's birthday. The people I want to wish, I will always remember their birthdays. And yeah, this is only for a sample, or maybe the person watching the video will find out that, like, not find out, like they will think that I have missed on their birthday date and I'm putting on countdown. So yeah, that's not that. Okay, let's skip this. Is going off topic. This is the photo widget, and you can easily click on it. You can view the whole photo. I don't have to go to the gallery, search for the best picture of my dog Jugnu, and then open it down there. But yeah, you can see you get the grayscale preview, and you can also share this widget. You have this share option, but you will need a Nothing phone. Like, you need a Nothing phone. It only supports the Nothing phones, and you can share widgets, and you can, your friends can put some emojis in there. So yeah, that things you can do that, and that's really nice if you and your friends own a Nothing phone. Like, I don't have any other Nothing phone, so yeah, I cannot do that. But yeah, this is how it works. This is for the new widgets with the Nothing OS 3. The next addition we have with the Nothing OS 3 update is the smart drawer, and it is powered by AI to help you create a ease in your opening the apps. But I feel this is not that great. Like, you can also pin an app drawer somehow, but I'm not getting that option. Okay, there's no option to pin in here. I can't do that. I thought, maybe you can pin your favorite group and that will show up here. But yeah, that's how it looks. And yeah, it does not look good to me. This is like an iOS copy. So I'm going to shift to our default, which looks clean and good. Maybe for me, this might look like a lot of apps and all, but for me it looks clean. So I choose the traditional one, not the new smart beta with AI. So yep. So guys, one last feature to discuss, and here we have into the settings, into special features. In here we have the pop-up view, and they call it the enhanced pop-up view. You can also expand notifications, swipe down to trigger pop-up view. You can enable that. But right now, as you can see, this is how it works. Let's take the pop-up view feature only. You can click here, pop-up view, and it will create a pop-up view. If you click it, bring it to the front. You can just take it anywhere on the screen in any of the corners, not in the middle though, but just the corners. Then you can double tap, and this is how it looks. You can resize it by clicking in here. You can resize, and if you want to bring the app to the front, like if you want to open the app in full screen, you just have to swipe down, and this is how it looks swiping down. Also, if you want to create a bubble, you have to go to the pop-up view, bring it to the front, then click on this minimize icon, and you can create short bubbles like that. So you can multitask in a better way. You just have to open this app and it gets to the front. So that's how the enhanced pop-up view is in here, the Nothing OS 3 update. And guys, there are also some minor visual changes. A lot of changes are there, like short changes, which I'm going to discuss in a new video. I'm going to explain all the features of the Nothing OS 3 and how you can totally take a great advantage of the new update, and the advantage of new features to be super smart with your super smart Nothing Phone 1 running the Nothing OS 3 with Android 15, obviously. So yeah, that is it for the video. If you guys enjoy the video, you have to press the like button. If not, the dislike button is also okay. You can subscribe to the channel because that is also important, because if you want to watch more videos on the Nothing Phone 1, which is this one, then you have to subscribe and take the advantage to be notified about new videos. Also, you can press the notification button. Also, any feedback about the nothing phone update or any feedback about this video, you can post it down below in the comment section, and I'll be happy to resolve and reply to all of those comments and your problems that you are facing. Also, all of the options, the new features, additions, and I have made some details about it in the video in the description part, so you can check that out. And if you have not yet received the update, please let me know down below in the comment section. I'll be happy to help with you that. Now that's it, gotta end the video. But before ending the video, I just want to share that I have been very inactive on Instagram, and now I have started again. Like, let's see how 2025 brings a good positive change to my Instagram activeness. So I have did it, and you can follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Also, I made a Telegram on topic group, so you have that option to join me on Telegram for on topic discussion related to videos. You can also suggest stuff down there. We are going to take some polls down when people start joining, and you can suggest what videos to make. You can use suggestions related to my the content that I make and all that stuff related to YouTube. And also, guys, I have started memberships on this channel now. It's not like I'm asking for money for in regard to something. I'm not offering that much, so I've set it to minimum. And what I'm going to offer is the basic YouTube perks which you get, and there is no custom stuff right now. I'm just openly saying you can support the channel if you want. It's 29 rupees per month, and it doesn't even count to it's $0.34 a month. So yeah, you can check that currency conversion. And also, I will do on topic, off topic live streams. Also, you get access to my Telegram group, which is off topic Telegram, and we're going to have fun, a lot of fun, off topic fun. Let's talk about life, let's talk about anything else rather than this content, Android, tech and YouTube. You can talk about to me anything, like not that much personal, but yeah, just any off topic stuff. So that is it. Also, guys, one more thing, we have completed 500 plus videos. This is maybe the 506th or 7th video, depending upon what I have scheduled the previous videos. But yes, that is it. Thank you. That's a great achievement for me, and thank you for supporting through these rough times, tough times, great times, ups and downs, and the happy moments. And to all other upcoming stuff, I'm really grateful for that. So yeah, bye bye. See you guys soon with another video, and thank you again, guys, for the support. Thank you. Keep supporting.